Further demonstrate my mastery of Standard 4A, I did conduct a needs assessment in order to inform the content and delivery of my professional development that I conducted as part of my practicum. And this helped me to assess the teacher's needs and to develop a program that was specific to their needs. Our school is unique in that we are on year 3 of technology use in the classroom, and our students have been one-to-one for several years. They are fairly adept at using the Chromebooks, and our teachers are fairly confident about using technology in the classroom. And so this meant that our professional development needed to go a little further than just introducing the concept of technology, but rather going a step beyond that. And in conferencing with my administrator and looking at the results, you can see that most of our teachers feel very good in their level of confidence in technology in the classroom, and 64% of our teachers use technology in the classroom quite often. So this is good. This shows that our school has very different technology needs than other schools, and I needed to develop professional development that met their needs. And because I used this survey as my evidence and my research to support the needs of the teachers, this demonstrates mastery of the standard. And because we implemented the professional development and training on how to use Chrome extensions and add-ons within the Google Suites, this helped the teachers learn different ways to assess students and to streamline some of their grading. And this was something that the teachers said they were definitely interested in, because it would help them have more time to work with the students and to use the technology beyond just a digital worksheet or a slides presentation.